Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get originally known as badge on Discord. If you are new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Now let's go over to our Discord, click your profile, and as you can see, a little badge called originally known as will be right here. Now this badge is given to those who changed their username in the previous Discord update. And when you go to edit profile, you can see a toggle options called legacy username badge. Now you can disable this if you want. In my case, I'll just leave it like that. So I'm gonna show you how to get that free badge. Okay, so here's my other account. This one doesn't have the badge yet, and when I click my profile, there's no badge. Now you notice that at the very top, you can see a message that says action needed, update your username. Now all you have to do is click on that get started button, or if you don't see this message but you don't have the badge yet, you can click the settings icon beside your profile, and in my account tab, you can then see the exact message to change your username as well. So go ahead and click get started. Here you can change your display name if you want. After that, hit next, and here as you can see, you can change your username to whatever you prefer. Now in order to get that badge, you really need to update or change your username, and then hit submit. And as you can see, I get that badge right after I change my username. In here, you can also see the badge, and at the bottom part, if you want to hide it, you can also toggle these settings. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.